Welcome to Helpful Solution. In this video, we will discuss simple step to troubleshoot if Samsung oven not turning off. Let's dive in. The first step, you have to check the power cycle of the oven. For this purpose, you have to turn off the oven, unplug from power outlet, wait for 5 minutes and then plug it back in. Inspect the control panel and touchpad. For this purpose, you have to turn off and unplug the oven and then remove control knob and then disconnect the touchpad ribbon. Examine the oven control board. For this purpose, you have to turn off and unplug the oven. Remove the control panel. Inspect for visible damages. Check the temperature control thermostat. For this purpose, you have to unplug and turn off the oven and then remove control knobs. After this, you have to test the thermostat with a multimeter. Inspect bake and boil elements. For this purpose, you have to turn off and unplug the oven. After this, you have to remove oven cracks. Inspect for damage. After this, test with a multimeter. Verify the oven's mode. For this purpose, you have to check the oven's display for active modes. Cancel self-cleaning or other modes if active. Consult the user manual. Refer to your oven's user manual for specific troubleshooting steps based on your model. Contact professional service. If the issue persists, you have to contact the certified appliance technician for further diagnosis. And there you have it. If you found my video helpful, please like, share and subscribe to my channel for more videos. Thanks for watching.